Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how I turn an outdated normie human into beautiful creatures in all tomorrows. Because I need something beautiful to lighten my life with uncured mental illness and unsolved problems, what won't make any humans happy but a piece of fiction about how you will be turned into degenerate living creature. I will demonstrated the process with Blender and my amateur 3D modeling skill. This is Joyu, and in this video he will be slowly turned into Lopsider just like how the Chew intended. There are some parts that didn't get recorded because my laptop crashed. Okay. I already prepared Joyu to face his fate to be a beautiful piece of art. And the first thing I should do was to cut his limb except for his right hand, put them later for another surgery. The second step is to give Joyu scoliosis, make his limb hole bigger, give him some boob job and lanky long broom-like hand. After that I would adjust the hand to be bigger, duplicate the hand and transplant them to all limb hole except neck hole. And I give Joyu a plastic surgery to his face and reattach the head again to the neck hole. And things should be in order and easy. Right? But unfortunately for me, my brain capacity was too low to think a plan how would I do it better. Because my adrenaline was pumping and making me excited to hurry up and make the sexy, I meant beautiful Lopsider. Not to mention when I was sculpting this beautiful human specimen, my 3D skill was rusty like a 300 years sunk ship on the bottom of the ocean floor. Because I haven't do proper practice on how to 3D modeling for a year. And that's why I will only show the time lapse on the process and not a tutorial, not because I was lazy editing but because I was messy at 3D sculpting, and Joyu was suffering for my incompetence. Claw claw claw. Sculpting the head was hard, that I need to made the third time and it finally works. But that's what happened when you tried to create a beautiful human specimen. It took a little bit of time but it's worth it. The Lopsiders was so beautiful that I keep seeing it for much time because I want to remind myself of what a masterpiece I just made. But just like the Chew, I wasn't satisfied by making one specimen, that I also made two more. I made the blind folk and the mantlope, which I will show later in the end of the video. I'm done. Let's see what I just made. Here are some photo of Joyu. And now I will show you the other specimens I made. Thank you for watching this poorly edited video filled with stock images. And please go visit CM Kosemen's works. Maybe I will make other video inspired by book All Tomorrows or maybe something else. And maybe if you want to see those, consider subscribing. I guess. Bye.